See Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back in. Welcome back to the weekend. Good looking forecast coming up for a change. Bright skies, lots of sun, and temperatures right where they should be this time of year. Check the calendar. Where are we? It's been so cloudy since going back to Christmas and rainy and soggy. We'll talk more about that as well, or at least the manifestations of that soggy pattern coming up in just a bit. First off, though, let's take a look outside at Cajun Field. Deep blue skies out there. Lots of sunshine. Beautiful day. Nice breeze out of the west as well. That wind will be diminishing, though, tonight. So let's kick it upstairs. Look at the water vapor imagery and put things in motion. And we have our upper level low that is finally clearing out of the area, producing rain there. Nice ridge of high pressure across the southwest, and that's going to ensure that we don't have any weather systems coming at us for a couple of days. We'll eventually have to deal with the subtropical jet stream in action way out here in the Pacific, but no major concerns for the weekend. Looking good. Those clouds, the model did a great job last night indicating the clouds would stick around north of I-10, but we'd see sunshine, I-10 on southward, and that's what we saw today. And finally, all the clouds clearing out for our friends to the north as well, thinning out, so we're going to see fair skies tonight. Temperatures drop nicely into the mid-30s up towards central Louisiana. Now, here's the manifestation of all the rain. Look at all the green here. These are all rivers that are in flood stage right now, from Texas through Mississippi, even into Alabama as well. Locally, the Vermilion falling, but still closed to boat traffic until it gets below 10 feet, and that may not happen until after Sunday. Bayou de Con near Eunice at 18.2 feet, which is moderate flood stage, but cresting. That is the good news. The Calcasieu, though, will be cresting next week at major flood stages. So the water very high from Allen all the way down into Calcasieu Parish and the Sabine River. Boy, it's been a rough couple of years here for the Sabine, cresting to major flood stages early to mid next week. So you can get the very latest in the Mermentau, by the way, cresting at 6 feet on Monday. You can get all the latest on the river stages I just posted on my Twitter and Facebook feed, where you can get the very latest readings from the National Weather Service. So temperature-wise, today we started out in the 40s, finished off in the mid-50s, now down into the mid-40s. Offshore, it's been rough out here, but settling down nicely for this weekend as high pressure moves in. A chilly start to the day, lots of sunshine, so the sun has got to wear shades. The future's so bright for the sun out there. Mild temperatures tomorrow afternoon. We get into the low to mid 60s. It cools off tomorrow evening, but looks good for dinner time or whatever plans you have going on out. Just jackets and sweaters, obviously. And then as we go into Sunday, mostly sunny skies as we start the day. And then we'll be watching some mid and high level clouds. Might have some patchy fog also Sunday morning. We'll have to reassess that and give you an update on that tomorrow. Meteorologist Eric Zernick will be your guide tomorrow. As we go down the road, taking a look at the long-range European model and putting things in motion, we do see that we might have a little bit of a frontal boundary that comes in as we go into Tuesday, but I don't think we're going to see much rain. 20% for the Tuesday, Wednesday rain chances. Then cooler air spilling in for the middle part of next week, and it looks dry for the most part. So the next real weather system or weather threat could come late Friday into Saturday. We're going to have to wait and see. It looks like low pressure may get cranked up in the Gulf. We might have periods of rain or may miss out on the rain. So right now I got 40% rain chances Friday night into Saturday. And then if it all works out well, we'll squeeze in a nice Sunday going into the following weekend. So near term tonight's going to be a chilly one, getting down into the mid-30s, northern parishes of Acadiana. So you may want to take care of the tender vegetation. I don't think we see frost because we have so much water in the ground. It's going to take a while for the ground to chill down to the point where we could see frost. So mid to upper 30s, northern parishes, upper 30s to near 40, I-10 corridor. Of course, in your more urban areas like Lafayette, closer to 40, and upper 30s to lower 40s coastal parishes as well. And after that chilly start, we get into the mid-60s tomorrow afternoon. Another cool one tomorrow night, low to mid-40s, but not too terribly cold. Light winds as well. And then going into Sunday, I think we might even see milder temperatures than the model's indicating here, mid to upper 60s. So a chilly night tonight. Those winds diminishing, 40 the low. A nice jacket or sweater should do it tomorrow. Believe it or not, a beautiful day. Wall-to-wall sunshine, nice and mild temperatures for the time of the year, mid-60s, and we'll keep it in the mid to upper 60s through the entire weekend. Going into early next week, we'll favor lower 70s, but then the cool down and then the rain chance toward the end of the week. All in all, though, a little bit of a time to dry out after such a soggy pattern over the last several weeks.
I'd say so. Thanks, Rob.